and welcome back to another edition of
This is the Gabby's Cooking Show. This is the Gabby's Cooking Show. Yeah.
So today we are back here at Honduras Kitchen with Jonathan, and he is going to be showing us how to make a baleada from scratch, right?
Yes, from scratch.
From scratch.
From scratch. I'll be making the harina, I'll be making the flour tortilla, and I'll be rolling it out and make it all from scratch.
So good! If you've never had a baleada before, you gotta come down here to Honduras at Honduras Kitchen and try one out. It is delicious. So let's start off with the ingredients.
And to start off with the ingredients, we have flour, salt, baking soda, and of course, lard.
Okay, so what are we going to be putting into this flour?
We're going to be putting in salt, baking soda, manteca, and water. Ready for this?
I am ready.
Are you ready?
I am ready. I'm ready.
This was my favorite part. I loved getting my hands dirty and being able to get my hands into that flour, into that dough. I literally felt like a kid again, just playing with Play-Doh.
So we're going to put it in the bag. The flour is very stretched, you got to let it relax, and it helps out if you put it in the bag.
Kill someone with that damn dough.
And let it sit hard for about 30-45 minutes.
Alright, so once it's ready, you're going to roll it out into little balls just like so. You're going to dip those little mother effers into some flour. And this next process, yo, tell me why I could not do it. No sé, no lo pude. I mean, I've made buñuelos before, me han salido riquísimos, but this I could not do. So I told him, you do you, dust off the extra flour like you said you had to do. And this part right here, guys, oh my goodness. He said if you don't bubble up the tortilla, it fails. So make sure that happens.
Alright, so as you guys saw, it's a process making these tortillas. My God! But they look amazing. They smell amazing. So you guys do this handmade every day?
If they're nice and if they're hard, they're not good. With like a chip, you don't want them. They can fold. This is
Look at
nice.
this.
This is good right here. Why? Because I made it.
Going off. When you go to Honduras and I say, can I have a baleada?
Yeah, you always have the basic beans, cream, and cheese. You always have the option of huevo con chorizo, carne asada, aguacate, chicharrón. You can build it the way you want.
Okay.
Let's just do the basic.
Okay, so what do I do? At home, and come on down to Honduras Kitchen here in Long Beach and in Huntington Park. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't done so already. Don't forget to like, comment, any type of food you guys want to see on this channel. I will see you guys next time. Cheers to all my Catrachos and Catrachas out there. Cheers to you. Thanks for showing me how to make something different. I'm gonna go home and make some of these now. Los quiero, los amo, adoro. Bye-bye. I don't know why I said adoro, but I said it.